Me pese wo hwe ade bi. Wọ́n sa table fẹ́fẹ́fẹ́. Nice table. Bra be hwe ade. Wo ye Ghana ni am pese wo tun ade. China for no. Hwe ade we. Ade we ya ye no. Hwe. E paper. Hwe ade we paper. Wo hu. Enso ya ye no fẹ́fẹ́fẹ́. Wo nimu a wo baka se yedua na ye de ye. E paper. Enti we efi China na aba o. Mba be ye ni yie. The person me ye ne foforo. I want to do it a new one kra. The person me ye ne brand new. Enti me change no. Afri we mu. Me de edua papa na bebe ye sa de we. The person me ye ne foforo mo say yes. Ghana yenso ye wade a ye wade papa. What you say? Enti me ba be ye ne foforo. But process na me ba be take aye ne foforo no. Me person wo hwe enti be twa video na mo aye de wa hwe. Me person me twa say Ghana no ye wade papa ye nua na ye papa. Enti today, your first time watching my video, I'm say subscribe to my channel so that next time I make video hit on the notification bell so that my video now wahun. Enti when me baba ye no foforo, me baba decorating na nice. E dey dua papa na ye. The embassy say I have to take the pattern. Enti me chewa how benya sa pattern we. Enti me baba twa. Enti see that so inti pencil na ebe juma. So it's the pencil work. I am only trying to get the pattern. If today is your first time or if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share the video, like, comment whatever you want to say, and I'll respond. The other person can be an obey to me. Okay, never be reply. So partner na me person me dey minya. Nti me twa partner. Okay, my bad. Yeah, here. Baba here, pense ma here. So this is the pattern. Nti aka say me the machine be twa na ma twa film. Na ma ba benya sa de we. Baba. Na ma ba benya sa curve we. We na me person minya. Nti onu na manya no. Nti me ba be twa. Me yiri we afiri ho. Nti ya yeguso me say me ba table we. Baba here nice. One way e bia papa o. Quality wood be that. That's why I know we fake wood, quality wood.